Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television in the living room over at Wooley Heights. And so it's a fairly straightforward system to use. We have a Samsung television with a Dish Network TV, and source-wise makes it fairly straightforward. It is set to cable box. So you got a cable box, you hit the enter right here. And as long as you have your little green light active on your Dish Network box, you're going to have your Dish remote control. The volume is right up here, and then your channels are right here. So fairly straightforward. So if you have any further questions and you need assistance, you can reach out to us. Number is 208-634-0030. And if you've got any special requests or needs, don't hesitate to call us. Cheers.